Now next topic is common multiples. So what is common multiple? A common multiple is a number that is multiple of two or more numbers. To find the common multiples, these are two steps. So what is first step? Make a list of multiples of each number. Second, identify the common multiples of the two numbers. For example, when we are taking two number, we have to find out the common multiples of that number. Okay, so what are that number? 2 and 3. Okay, we are taking one example. So we have to find out common multiple of 2 and 3. So example 1. So list out all the multiples of first number 2. So multiples of 2 are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and so on. We have to find out common multiples. Okay, that's why we have to write all the multiples of that number. Now write all the multiples of number 3. So multiples of 3 are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18 and so on. So what are common in both the number? Common multiples in both the number 2 and 3. So common multiple of 2 and 3 are round, circle it the common numbers. So both number are common in both the multiple. Okay, so 6, circle it, 12 in both, so circle it, 18 in both, so circle it. So common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12 and 18 and so on we will get. Now next example. Find the first three common multiples of 4 and 6. So write multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36 and so on. Now multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. And what we have to find out? The first three common multiple. Okay, we have to find out only the first three. So first three common multiples are highlighted: 12, 24 and 36. These are first three. So common multiples are highlighted in both the lists. So the first three common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, okay, 24 and 36. So these are first three common multiples of 4 and 6. Now exercise 6.2. Question A. Write the first two common multiples of the following number. So write it in your copy. Exercise 6.2. Write question A. Write the first two common multiples of the following numbers. So first 5 and 10. So first write multiples of 5 are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30 and so on. Now multiples of 10 are 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40 and so on. So we have to find out only first two common multiple. That's why the first two common multiples of 5 and 10 are, circle it the common. The common are 10 and 20. So the first two common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10 and 20. Now question 2. 7 number are 7 and 8. So multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98, 105, 112 and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, 112, 120 and so on. So now circle the common numbers. So 56 is common in both and 112 is common in both. So circle it. Now the first two common multiples of 7 and 8 are 56 and 112. Now question B. Write the first three common multiples of the following numbers. So write it in your copy. Write the first three common multiples of the following number. This is same as the previous question. So write first question. Numbers are 3 and 6. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. Now multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. Now circle the common one. Circle the first three common multiple. Okay. So first one is 6, second one is 12 and third one is 18. So circle it. Now the first three common multiples of 3 and 6 are 6, 12 and 18. Now next question. 9 and 12. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108 and so on. Now multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. So circle the first three common multiple in both the numbers. 36, 72 and 108. So the first three common multiple of 9 and 12 are 36, 72 and 108. Thank you.